Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents most powerful natural antibiotic ever, which cures any infection in the body and kills all parasites. Richard Schulze, a well-known American doctor, has revealed a recipe for a powerful natural antibiotic effective for the treatment of different health conditions. This super tonic, as all tinctures, is an extremely effective natural medicine, namely the best parts and properties of herbs and plants are preserved in tinctures. Yet they can be very strong, so you should always use them with caution. The recipe of this amazing tonic includes organic ingredients only in order to obtain best results. This is how to prepare this remarkable natural medicine. To prepare this supernatural antibiotic, you need 1/4 cup chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons grated radish, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 700 ml of organic apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of grated ginger root, 2 fresh habanero peppers, or find the hottest peppers you can, chopped. Preparation: mix all the ingredients well except the apple cider vinegar and place the mixture in a glass jar. Then fill the jar with the apple cider vinegar, close the glass jar and shake. Store in a cool, dry place for 2 weeks. During this time, the bottle should be shaken twice a day. After 2 weeks, strain with a fine sieve and pour the liquid into a clean jar, and it will be ready for consumption. Keep this tonic in a cool, dark place. How to use: take 1 tablespoon every day to improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and fight flu and colds or any other diseases. If the illness or infection is very serious, you can increase the dose and take 1 tablespoon up to 6 times a day. Drink plenty of water during the treatment. This homemade tonic remedy has a very strong flavor, so it can be accompanied with a little honey or a slice of orange. All the ingredients that are used to make this tonic have powerful beneficial properties for health. Garlic, for example, is a natural antibiotic that kills bacteria and dangerous microorganisms without destroying the beneficial bacteria of the organism. It is also a potent antifungal. The radish increases blood flow and helps in case of paranasal infections and colds. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and, like chilies, stimulates circulation. Apple cider vinegar helps eliminate toxic waste from the body and helps fight fungal and bacterial infections. This natural tonic is a way to fight many diseases without the use of chemical antibiotics. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value. And don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.